See a little mist coming off the white caps.
Yeah. Just don't go for the falls, Mark. You won't be laughing.
Beautiful day.
The good life, huh? Why don't you go toward those rapids, see if you can out-paddle it.
You paddle and I'll...
No, I'll stay a safe distance. We'll see how strong that little motor is. See how strong that little motor is, Mark.
Push it right through. No problem.
Okay.
You push the button. Yeah, help you push the button.
You
got some of that blood in you, you know that?
Someone trying to knock me down here. Holy.
All the girls in the world.
That's okay. He didn't tattoo it, so it's...
That ain't my uncle. I never seen him before.
It ain't tattooed, so it ain't permanent yet.
Holy. Hey, I'm taking a picture of you taking a picture. Ain't that ironic? Hello. When I get home, you better not be there.
And you do what?
Give one of these.
Yes, you
Yeah, what? I got home too late? Yeah, right.
Yes, you
Stop and had a beer with the boys. Got a problem with that? See ya.